That third switch is the compressor. I can hear it kick in. I don't know what all the others are, but evidently there's not a end on the hose, because when I kick it in, it just blows air. These boxes do seal pretty good, like you were saying earlier. Let's see. There's one hose. It's got an end. I don't know where that air was coming from. Someone's taken the jacks off and just thrown them in the bed. Sometimes the transporters do that because they can't get them on the trailer. It doesn't have any blow by at all, not even enough to make the oil cap bounce. Overall, it's a good truck. Front tires look like we may have put those on. They look new. Actually, these back ones here look the same. Look, may have 6 new tires on it. That compressor, that front, that top rolls forward. I had someone wanting to know how much room was behind it, and so I rolled it forward to measure. Yeah, it does. It's got 6 new tires on it. It's got a aluminum plate for your bottles so they don't bounce on the fiberglass. Overall, it's actually a really clean truck. I've ran the crane, and it is a wireless controller. There's the receiver. I think I may have told you the truck come from Caterpillar. I don't remember, but that drawer works really good. Yeah, they're pretty smooth. Overall, whoever had this truck took good care of it. So I'll get this uploaded and send it to you.